Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 27th, 2021, and I'm going to be planting some Greek oregano seeds today. So you can see here what Greek oregano seeds look like. And Greek oregano has a very strong flavor to it. It's one of our favorite oreganos. Now, one thing when growing oregano, it can be prone to black spot. So, I've already pre-treated my soil here with neem oil. I did a light mixture of neem oil. And normally I soak larger seeds to help prevent seed-borne diseases and blights. But because these are so teeny and small, you can see how small it is there, I've already pre-treated my soil, and then I'm going to be going over top of it with some more neem oil then. So you want to surface sow your seeds here, and I'm wearing gloves because of the neem oil. Seed is right there. Very teeny tiny. So I'm just putting it on top here. There we go. And you can see the seed is right there. It's very teeny. So I'm going to finish planting these, and then I will come back and show you what to do next. Okay, so I have all these planted. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some of my neem oil solution, a little eyedropper, and I'm going to go over the soil surface. And what that's going to do is that's going to get on my seed, and that's going to help kill any seed-borne disease on it. So I'm going to be putting these on the heated floor of my greenhouse in a loose covered container, and when they start germinating I will come back and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is April the 6th, 2021, and on March the 31st my Greek oregano did start germinating. So you can see now these seedlings are very tiny right now. I did take them off of the heated floor and I took them out of their tray. I went ahead and put them up here on one of the shelves in the greenhouse. Now, like I said, this is a perennial, but it cannot go outside until after the danger of frost is passed, because these are very tender young plants right now. They will not tolerate frost or freezing temperatures. So they'll go out after the danger of frost and freezing has passed. Now, you do want to harden your seedlings off before you take them outside. I do have a video on my channel for how to do that, and that's going to help them get used to being outside in the outdoor conditions, especially if you're growing them inside under lights. Now, when these start getting their true leaves, I am going to start feeding them with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I use 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro to 1 gallon of water. And they're also going to get fed with a product called Sea Magic. And that's an organic product, and they'll get fed with that every 2 weeks with the Sea Magic. The Miracle-Gro, they'll get fed 1 time a week. And the Miracle-Gro just helps to get the plants off, from what I've seen, to a good start. I use it on all of my seedlings. If you don't want to use the Miracle-Gro, that's fine. You can use Sea Magic on them. And you never want to feed a dry plant. You always want to make sure that your soil is nice and moist before you go ahead and feed your stuff. So as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more videos and I'm going to show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!